then shows that in Alaska, an expedition team discovers something very important in one of the many ice rods they extract. This is sent to a lab in Essex City where Richard works as janitor. One afternoon, he hears scientists Bertie and Judy arguing. Bertie says they can't let this happen, but they fall silent when they see Richard nearby. Later at the pub, Richard spots Bertie and apologizes for what happened. They spend a wonderful night together and Bertie ends up sharing a bit about her project. The people in Alaska found a microbe that could form a vaccine and save lives, but if it goes wrong then all hell could break loose. Afterward Richard walks Bertie home and she invites him in. Bertie shares that her husband died from a serious disease and that's why she stopped teaching to start researching. When they're about to kiss, they're interrupted by an urgent call informing Bertie that the military is taking over the lab. Richard volunteers to drive her there and they go inside through the back door. There are lots of soldiers taking away all the research, but the duo takes an empty corridor into a secret office. Bertie shows Richard that their experiments with the microbe have created a miracle and reveals baby Gus, who starts crying. The soldiers hear it and appear on the corridor, so Bertie wants to escape with the baby before the military finds him. Richard puts on his janitor clothes and pretends he's cleaning to distract the soldiers, allowing Bertie to sneak out with the baby. After the men let him go, Richard runs to meet with Bertie, who hands Gus to him and asks him to keep him safe while she goes back to burn all her research. When she steps back, a fence closes between them and an alarm starts wailing, so Richard runs away with Gus. In the present, Gus' group finds Essex City. After wandering around they find the right house and Gus pounds on the door, asking for Bertie. The person opening the door is Judy, who recognizes Gus and is shocked to see he's alive. She explains she used to work with Bertie and that she came to this house looking for her, but she only found the military ransacking the place. The soldiers beat Judy up and left her for dead. Later she was found by Bertie who nursed her back to health. One night Bertie just left, and Judy doesn't know where she is now. Gus notices a pot with the lab's name and recognizes it from that ID he found in Richard's box. Judy gives Gus a key to the attic that Bertie had asked her to protect. Gus is excited to open it, but Becky and Tommy